Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video, which will be exploring Nervovive's ingredients, benefits, and if it actually works. So stay with me until the end, and I'll help you. Have you ever felt tired, lacking energy, struggling with high blood sugar levels, or even neuropathy? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to explore a product that could transform your health. Nervovive is not just like any other supplement. It was manufactured and designed into a FDA Registered facility to help your body absorb essential nutrients, promoting healthy balance and vitality. But what really makes it special? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes. With a unique formula composed with passion flower, marshmallow root, corydalus, prickly pear, and California poppy seed. It supports proper nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets everything it needs to function at its best. And that's not all. It supports proper nutrient absorption and naturally supports normal blood sugar levels while helping your organism properly absorb and regulate the amount of sugar it gets, and it also manages to support neuropathy, promoting a healthy balance. Developed by experts, Nervovive combines natural ingredients that have been used for centuries to promote health. Each component has been carefully chosen to maximize benefits and ensure safety. Nervovive is the answer you've been looking for. A natural, affordable formula with no side effects whatsoever, and you can use at home by simply taking 2 capsules per day with plenty of water, and soon you will start to see amazing results. Nervovive offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like the product for any reason, you can contact the support for full refund. And you must be wondering where you can purchase it. If that is the case, I have left the official website link down below so that you don't suffer any scam and just make a secure and safe purchase and receive the original product. Discover how Nervovive can transform your health. Join thousands of people who are already living better. Nervovive, your ally in the search for a balanced life.